Sloan told me that if he goes minus 100 or more tomorrow,
That's not what I said.
which we hope he doesn't. Well, he said it's not possible, but then I said, if you do, will you shave half of your head? And he said yes.
Yeah. Why not?
For the record, Packy said it, not Sloan.
See, I like this channel better.
And for the record, Sloan agreed.
He did agree.
It'll be all right.
I just set the terms.
When I go plus 100,
What's gonna happen?
you have to shave your head and let me write right here on your forehead, Christopher Sloan.
Not happening. That's not happening. I think the key is to today.
Pick up your spares. Nah, we ain't got time for that. We're trying to throw 6, 7, and 8 baggers. And
Can we
they don't
please
call me
just-
the
can we-
comeback kid for nothing.
Can we please just like spares? Spares, please.
Okay, I'll give them my real answer. My real answer is they're a little easier today, but they're still not easy. So it's 220 every game. That's good.
Well, a little block recap here. Absolute grind. Made a million ball changes, made a million good shots, and we ended up at plus 15 overall with a low game of 186 and a high game of 230, and a lot of games right around that 200 number. So plus 15's a good block for how I bowled. Could have been more, could have been less for sure, and just got to come back at it tomorrow. I think tomorrow is going to be the hardest day of the tournament, so hopefully got to come back tomorrow, reset the mindset, put on that grind mode cap, and then hopefully come back another clear mind, calm, cool, and collected were my 3 words of the day, and I think they're going to be my 3 words of the week. So if I'm going to make this cut, calm, cool, collected tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate the love, and also the people who videoed this, that you can find their links somewhere in this video. So appreciate them, appreciate you guys. Until the next one, peace.